At Boise Oral Surgery and Dental Implant Center, we believe that every patient deserves the highest quality dental implants, bone grafting materials, and appropriate bone grafting techniques available to replace missing teeth. When you receive dental implants, it is important to ensure that your medical provider has obtained the proper training and surgical experience necessary to successfully perform implant placement. As an oral and maxillofacial surgeon, I have been extensively trained in dental implant placement through both my 4-year surgical residency and working with patients in my practice. At Boise Oral Surgery and Dental Implant Center, we strive to be known as a center for excellence in dental implant placement. Our surgical center is credentialed according to strict guidelines and adheres to strict monitoring and safety criteria. This means that our practice has met rigorous patient safety, technology, anesthesia administration, and operatory standards to provide you with the highest quality of implant surgery possible.